business with cash rupees 1,40,000 1,40,000 and goods rupees 60,000. 60,000. B division, purchased furniture worth rupees 20,000 by cash. Depreciation on furniture rupees 800 D. Deposited into bank rupees 40,000 E. Paid electricity charges through net banking rupees 500 then F. Sold goods to Ravi costing 10,000 for rupees 15,000. The last transaction G. Goods returned by Ravi. Goods returned by Ravi. Goods returned by Ravi. rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. These are the 7 transactions given in this problem. As I said for the previous one, we should select what are the items that will come under assets and what are the other items that will come under liabilities. We should collect them, because the accounting equation is assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Our first task here is we should collect the assets available in all these transactions and the liabilities in all these transactions. Capital, of course, the single entity, no problem. But we should collect what are the assets available in this problem and what are the liabilities available in this problem. We should collect. For that, we go to the first one. First one, what it is? Started business with cash and goods. Whatever invested in the beginning of the business, they are called capital. Therefore, cash invested, goods are invested, goods otherwise we call here stock, and totally it is called capital. These are the 3 items involved in the first transaction. Regarding the second transaction, purchased furniture worth rupees 20,000. When we buy furniture, what we receive? We receive furniture. And what we pay for it? We pay the cash. So, furniture, cash. Then the third transaction, depreciation on furniture, rupees 800. It reduces the value of furniture, therefore furniture will appear here, and also it will reduce the value of capital also. It will reduce the value of capital also. Therefore, another item is capital. That is depreciation on furniture, rupees 800. So it decreases, it is a loss. I shall explain once again later. Deposited into bank, fourth one. When we deposit the money, we take the money from the business and we deposit it in the business. So for the bank it is plus and for the cash it is minus. Therefore, cash bank. Cash bank. These are the 2 items under D division. Then E, paid electricity charges through net banking. When electricity charges are paid, in terms of cash, cash balance will decrease. When the electricity charge is paid through bank, the bank balance will decrease, and therefore bank, and it will also reduce the value of capital. This is. Then F division, sold goods to Ravi. Sold goods to Ravi costing 10,000. 10,000 valued goods is sold to Ravi. So from the stock only it is taken and sold. இருக்கிற ஸ்டாக்லேருந்து எடுத்து தான் விற்கிறாங்க. So it will reduce the stock. And what happens? For rupees 15,000 it is sold away. sold goods to Ravi costing 10,000 for 15,000. So cash 15,000 it comes. It is connected with the capital. I will explain once again. Then the last one, seventh one, G, goods returned by Ravi. Already we have sold the goods to Ravi and Ravi returns the goods. Therefore, it will come into us. யாராவது நம்ம வித்தவங்க திருப்பி கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா we receive the goods. Therefore, stock plus and the person, that is goods returned by Ravi rupees 5,000, no, that amount will reduce automatically. Here stock, and instead of this cash we can write data, and this here also it is data. Once again I repeat it. So from this we have, or we should collect the different assets. What are they? 1 cash, 2 stock, then right hand side capital, then furniture. Cash already selected, furniture already selected, cap already selected, cash already selected, bank, right, bank already selected, capital already there, stock is there already, data we must write this data, and the stock, capital, everything is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 items here, and out of those 6 items, we should select what are the assets and what are the liabilities here. The assets are cash, the second asset stock, plus third asset furniture, fourth asset after furniture bank, and fifth asset debtor. Fifth asset is debtor. The capital is as it is. In this problem also there is no liability. If you are interested, you can write, or else you can leave it. And therefore, the selection of the different assets and the selection of the liabilities or capital, that is selection, generally we can say, the selection of items in each and every transaction is very important. If you select them wrongly, then the problem will be wrong. So we go to the first one. Started business with cash rupees 1,40,000 and goods rupees 60,000. Cash 1,40,000. Goods, otherwise we call 60. Stock it is 60,000. And totally these two are called capital. Whatever invested in the beginning of the business, they are called capital. 1,40,000 plus 60,000, it is 2 lakhs. The other items in the transactions are not appearing, so we can put 0. Wherever there is no value, we can put 0. The first one is over. Then Purchased furniture worth rupees 20,000 by cash. We buy the furniture. So what we receive? We receive furniture worth rupees 20,000. Furniture worth rupees 20,000. So against furniture you write 20,000. We are paying cash. Therefore the cash is going out minus 20,000. This only you must remember very carefully. Minus 20,000. We pay the cash. Cash it reduces the cash balance minus. We receive the furniture. It comes in. It is a plus. Other items are zeros. In each and every step you can check the left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. Here you see 1,40,000 plus 60,000, 2 lakhs. Left hand side 2 lakhs, right hand side 2 lakhs. In the next step you see left hand side plus 20,000 minus 20,000 0 plus 20 minus 20. Left hand side 0, right hand side 0. Then for the third transaction, depreciation on furniture rupees 800. I should explain something. What do you mean by depreciation? Depreciation is the decrease in the value of an asset. Depreciation is the decrease in the value of an asset. If there is any decrease in the value of an asset, how much? 800. Therefore, it decreases the value, therefore, minus 800. And if there is any loss, decrease in the value of an asset value it is a loss. If the asset value is increasing like anything, it is a profit. So the loss should be minus from the capital and the profit should be added to the capital. Depreciation means decrease in the value of an asset. So the value of the asset is decreasing, minus 800. At the same time, it will decreases the capital value. If there is any profit, plus, and in the capital also it is plus. You must be very careful. Then the fourth one, deposited into the other items. What about other items? This one 0, cash 0, stock 0, bank 0, and debtor 0. In this transaction, liability is also 0. Then, fourth one, deposited into bank rupees 40,000. That is, the money is paid into bank. Money is deposited into bank 40,000. So, the cash balance will reduce minus 40,000. Because we take the money from the business and we are giving to the bank. That is, money is taken out of the business and deposited into bank. Therefore, for the bank it is plus. So, you can check in this transaction also, left hand side minus 800, right hand side minus 800. See, in this transaction, minus 40,000 plus 40,000 0, right hand side everything 0. The rest of the items are 0. Then E, paid electricity charges through net banking. Paid electricity charges through net banking. From the bank rupees 500 is paid, therefore the bank balance will be reduced minus 500. Minus 500, because if it is paid through cash, cash balance will reduce, minus 500 cash. Here it is paid through net banking, that is paid through bank, therefore minus 500. then automatically this payment is reducing the capital. So minus 500. So left hand side minus 500, right hand side minus 500. So other items are zeros. Then listen very carefully this one. Sold goods to Ravi costing 10,000. 10,000 valued goods are sold to Ravi. So we take 10,000 valued goods and it is sold away to Ravi. இருக்கிற பொருள் எடுத்து வித்துட்டோம்னா பொருள் குறைஞ்சிரும் இல்லையா? The stock will reduce, therefore minus 10,000. For that, how much is received? How much is received? Rupees 15,000 is received. That is the cash, it is not mentioned. It is presumed that it is sold for credit. Therefore, for 15,000 it is sold. 15,000 it is sold. You understand it? We sold to Ravi 10,000 valued goods for 15,000. How we record this transaction? From the stock only 10,000 value will decrease. Stock lender 10,000 value goods தான் குறையும். But at the same time, what we write in the name of Ravi, 15,000 account ல எழுதிக்கிறோம். Because 10,000 valued goods is sold for 15,000. Ravi தலையில 15,000 நானான்னு சொல்லி அவனை கட்டியாச்சு. So this 10 actually in the record, goods, how much goods is decreasing? Only 10,000 valued goods is decreasing. But what should be the amount in the name of debtor Mr. Ravi? 15,000, because we sold it to Ravi for 15,000. The person who enjoyed the benefit from us are called debtors. நம்மள்கிட்ட பெனிஃபிட்டை வாங்கிக்கிறவன் debtor. Simple language we can say the person who borrowed from us are called debtors. The person who has given us is called creditor. நமக்கு யார் கொடுத்துருக்கானோ அவன் creditor. நம்மகிட்ட யார் வாங்கியிருக்கானோ அவன் debtor. கொடுத்துருக்கவன் he is called creditor. See what it is. Sold goods to Ravi. Name only is given. If there is no cash, etc., then we should consider it is a credit transaction. So, the person Ravi is the beneficiary. He has enjoyed the benefit from us, therefore he is a debtor. நம்மள்ட்ட கடன் வாங்குறவன். So 15,000. What about this 5,000 difference? It is a profit. 10,000 valued is given to Ravi for 15,000. Therefore, the excess amount 5,000 is a profit, and that 5,000 should be written under capital because it is a profit plus 5. If it is loss, minus 5,000. So it is a profit. We are writing it profit plus 5,000 under capital. So you see the left hand side 15,000 minus 10,000, 5,000, right hand side 5,000. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. Put 0 for all the other items. Then goods returned by Ravi rupees 5,000. When someone to whom we have sold away the goods is returning the goods, we are receiving it. It is a plus for us. We have sold already to Ravi, the business has sold away goods to Ravi already. Now Ravi is returning the goods. So the business is receiving the goods, therefore it is a plus. Since it is connected with the goods, you write plus 500. Plus 500. At the same time, in the name of Ravi, there is already 15,000. What does Ravi do? Ravi returns 500 valued goods, and therefore it will reduce his burden, that is minus 500. It will reduce his burden. 15,000க்கு நம்மட்டேந்து குட்ஸை வாங்கியிருக்கிறோம். அந்த 15,000 வேல்யூ குட்ஸில் 500 ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிடுறோம். அப்போ வாட் வில் பி த டெட் ஹி ஓஸ்? எவ்வளோ கடன் வச்சிருப்பான்? இதுலேருந்து ஒரு 500 மைனஸ் ஆகிடும் இல்லையா? தட் வாட் ஐ ஹவ் ரிட்டன் த minus 500. So plus 500 stock will increase and the value of debtor will decrease. Therefore plus 500 minus 500 0, left hand side 0, right hand side 0. In each and every step you can check. Then right hand side 0 plus 0. Now we can find the totals. Find the totals from the top. The first one, as I said, you should write as it is what is in the first line, because we need at least two numbers to add, but here only one, therefore we should write as it is. 1,40,000 plus 60,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 2 lakhs plus 0. Now you add together the next two numbers. 1,40,000 minus 20,000, 1,20,000. 60,000 plus 0, 60,000. 0 plus 20,000, 20,000. 0, 0. 2 lakhs plus 0, 2 lakhs. Plus 0. Once again you add these two. 1,20,000 plus 60,000, 20,000 minus 800, 19,200 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 2 lakhs minus 800, 1,99,200 plus 0. From this, if you minus, you will get 1,99,200. Once again, you add these two rows. 1,20,000 minus 40,000, 80,000 plus 60,000 plus this only minus 20,000 minus 800 plus 19,200 plus 19,200 plus 40,000 plus 0 is equal to 1,99,200 plus 0. Once again, you add these two numbers. 80,000 plus 60,000 plus 19,200 40,000 minus 500, this is plus 39,500 plus 0 equal to 1,99,200 minus 500 will give 1,98,700 plus 0. Now once again, add these two rows. 80,000 plus 0, 80,000. 60,000 minus 10,000, 70,000. So 19,200 plus 0, 19,200. 39,500 plus 15,000 is equal to 700, 2 lakhs, 3,000, 2 lakhs, 3,000, 3,700. Now you can add 80,000 plus 70,500 plus 19,200 plus 39,500 plus minus this 500 rupees, 14,500 equal to 2 lakhs 3,700 plus 0. Now we should add both the left hand side and right hand side. On the right hand side it is only 2 lakhs 3,700. Now you can add 0, 0, 7, remainder 1, 3, 2 lakhs 23,700. Somewhere it is missing. We should find the total 91 lakh 98,700. 2 lakhs 3,700. Okay. Here once again we check 40, 20, 120, 60, 20, that is 2 lakhs. Here 1,20,000, 60,000, 19,200 and 1,99,200. Here 120 minus 40, 80,000 and 60,000, 19,200, 40,000. Here 1,99,200. Again 80,000, 60,000, 19,200. From 40,000, if you subtract 500, it is 39,500. If you subtract it here, 1,98,700. Right. Now here 80,000, 60,000 minus 10,000, minus instead of minus we have added, therefore 50,000. And 50,000 plus 500, 50,500. Now we are getting 2 lakhs. We must be very careful. Instead of adding, here what I have done, instead of minusing it, we have added. So it did not tally. Now I found the mistake there. Now it is a tally. So we shall pass on to the next.